So welcome everyone. Once again, this is Kevin from CSMI in Australia. Today, I'm going to share with you a 1/14 scale grader, finally. So there's a huge call out always asking us for a grader, so we've gone ahead and managed to get a grader in a 1/14 scale done. This will go up in production shortly, but this is one of the first one that has been built like a prototype. So I'll just run through a few things, and then there's a link below, and if you have any questions, you can email us or put it down in the comment section. So the grader is roughly about a meter in length. The ripper is an additional accessory that you need to buy separately, and then we'll be building another blade up here, hydraulically controlled in the front. That'll be another accessory. It comes pretty much the way you see it. There are some other things like the windows that are laser cut, and they'll come separately in the plastic, and then you'll just have to put these in and glue them in. Everything is CNC machined. I'll go a bit more closer and I'll walk you through the grader itself. It weighs roughly about 15 kilos. That's about 30 pounds, maybe a bit more than that. The cab interior is quite detailed. It's 3D printed. That's what's the easiest way to keep the cost down. Everything is metal. Everything is CNC machined. Has got 8 hydraulic valves and can be expanded further. All the functions in the grader, the yoke, the tiller, everything just like the real machine. The steering, you got dual steering on this one. You got the steerings in the front, and then the rear cab is also pivoted with through rams on it. So let's go a bit more closer so you can see the detail in this machine. So we try to keep it simple with the drive motor for the blade angle using an electric motor. All the yokes are all metal. The steering, you got the steering, and then you can actually skew the entire thing. So there's 2 rams again for that. The engine casing is completely metal, which means it's actually solid CNC machined. It's not flimsy sheet metal. So you can see the wall thickness on it. It's roughly about 4 millimeters. Fully CNC machined. The doors are not sheet metal either. The whole thing is rebated and recessed, so it'll actually fit with proper hinges on it. Solidly built. You can see the paint quality. Very, very good paint quality for the reflection. Same goes with the cab. The cab is also CNC machine. You can see the gloss in the paint up there. We've got a hydraulic. Let me show you the hydraulics up here. Okay, so you got, on this one, you got 8 hydraulic valves. Can be expanded if needed for the other functions. Transmission, proper load sharing pendulum type transmission with a gearbox and an electrical motor. We'll go into more detail in the next video. As far as the hydraulic functions go, everything has been replicated just like the real thing. So you can tilt the blade, you can traverse the blade, you can change the angle of the blade, you can of course steer from the forward, and you can skew the front tires. Obviously, I don't know if you can see up here, but there's 2 rams over here to pivot the rear end also. So that's pretty much we have on this particular video. I'm going to probably flip it and speak about the grader on the bottom, what it looks like, and then you can see more detail. So thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you on the next video. Thank you.